We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they've received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.